Hi, my name is Grant Kramer, and I am a professor emeritus at the University of Nevada, Reno. This quiz is a multiple choice test. There are 5 possible answers. There's only one correct answer that satisfies the question.
Quiz number 14. Number 1. Auxin is a plant hormone. B. Transported basipedally. C. A chemical messenger that can stimulate growth. D. All of the above. E. None of the above. 2. Gravitropism is A. Growth in response to light. B. Growth directed negatively by gravity in roots. C. Growth directed positively by gravity in shoots. D. All of the above. E. None of the above. 3. Auxin can affect A. Fruit size and shape. B. Everything in the plant. C. The digestion of soil insects. D. All of the above. E. None of the above. 4. The acid growth hypothesis provides a model for A. Cell division. B. Cell inhibition. C. Cell elongation. D. All of the above. E. None of the above. 5. Apical dominance results in the inhibition of A. Leaf growth. B. Axillary bud activity. C. Leaf shape. D. All of the above. E. None of the above.
In the next video, you will see the answers to this quiz. Have a great day.